It is the freaking weekend. It's Friday today and the sun is out. I'm so happy. It's been such a calm and relaxing morning. As you guys saw, I did some laundry. I got my office all put together. I scheduled a YouTube video for today. It's been such a good morning and I'm really relaxed right now and I'm hoping I can keep it that way. I'm not even kidding you guys. I had probably a foot of snow on my car and my hands are numb. And the workers at the restaurant that I live above just kind of were like, that sucks. But anyways, Chloe and I are heading over to Starbucks. I really want one of the pistachio cream cold brew. It's a Friday fun day and I love Starbucks.
Before they get cold out.
Thank you.
One more time. There we go, like that.
Perfect. Thank you. Jeez, oh Pete's. No wonder it's taking forever for them. They are having register malfunctions. Okay. So from here, I think, Chloe, how does this sound? We will go to the house and you can play with Gigi and Remy. We'll do that. Yum. Yeah, that did help because they weren't iced over. But it was a struggle getting out this morning and they were judging me. Okay. Okay, Chloe, we made it. You wanna go see your friends? Okay, let's go. We made it! Okay, ready? Proud of you. Let's go. Ooh. Let me grab my stuff. I need my phone and my drink. Remy. Hi, buddy. Hi, Doo-Doo. Hi, baby. Look at you, all handsome. Okay, Chloe, you ready to go home? Good girl. I retrieved some packages. I will do a little unboxing when I get home. Good girl. So cold. Ooh, okay. Back in the car. No, keep that off. But turn this. Burr! Hello and happy Saturday. I have been up for a minute. I woke up today at 6 a.m. for seriously no reason at all. I had some weird dreams and it like kept me up. This morning at like 7 a.m. I did a little bit of self-tanner and I was sent a new one in the mail by the brand Luna something. I'll get the package. I did that this morning at like 7 a.m. and now it's noon. I washed it off and then you just saw me do all my skincare and I did my brows a little bit. I have my hair in a slick bun, doing a little hair mask. Nothing too exciting for today. I wanted to go down to Detroit kind of as a solo trip or see if a friend wanted to go, but I'm really itching to be in the city and yeah, that may happen, or it may not, I don't know. Anyways, I just wanted to check in and say hello. I feel very refreshed this morning, just having a little bit of color on my skin. So yeah, I think that's it for now. This is a little closer up moment, I guess, of my skin. I woke up with a honker right there, but you probably can't tell because it's so bright out, but I'm having a fairly good skin day, which is always lovely. Also, if you were wondering, this is the self-tanner that I used this morning. And I actually really liked it. It smells good. It went on really easy. And it has like an olive undertone, which I always look for in a self-tanner. So I will keep you updated on this, but so far so good. It says that you can leave it on between 2 and 6 hours, just kind of depending on how tan you want it to be, and I took mine off at around 3.5 to 4 hours, so I definitely could have gone longer and I definitely could have slept in it, but I just opened it at like 7 a.m. because I needed to fake tan. Yeah, that's it. They sell it on Revolve if you were wondering. When I make a green juice, I always reuse this little glass jar. I saved it from when I went to Errands for the first time a few months ago. It's like the perfect little jar for making your at-home greens. And then I just add in some filtered water. Just like that. Pop the cap on. Give it a nice shake. Now I have a lovely green juice that I can sip on today. I love this little jar and it makes me feel like I'm in LA for like 2 seconds. Taste test. I grab my blanket. I really need to find a show on Netflix or Hulu or Disney Plus or like wherever to watch when I don't want to do anything social media. If you guys have any good recommendations, leave them below. Just for reference, some of my very favorite shows are One Tree Hill. Like I've watched One Tree Hill probably 15 times. Gossip Girl, of course. I mean, who doesn't like Gossip Girl? Love Dance Moms. I couldn't really get into Emily in Paris. I liked Friday Night Lights, kind of that genre, okay? I am a sucker for rom-coms, anything romance. I am in love. I am obsessed. Let me know in the comments because I just want to stop watching social media when I have like free time. I want to actually like watch a show. Let's go. Shut the door. The remotes are always on Adam's side. Because he's always in charge because I always fall asleep. Perfect. Okay, what should we watch? Kitty, do you have a preference? No preference? Ooh, I'm gonna watch America's Next Top Model. I used to watch this religiously when I was younger. Oh, they have so many seasons. This is crazy. The first season aired in 2003. I was only 6 years old when that aired. That's crazy. I love this show.
Presented by H&R Block.
That's one reason why I started this show. America's Next Top Model. I want to make a top model in 8 weeks, but I'll know when I can make a move.
How freaking cute are these dog toys? Look at them, the little octopus and the little, what is this, a horse? Oh my goodness. Chloe, your other toys are very damaged, so I had to replace them. You excited to see what they are? I'm cutting off the tags right now. Hop up here. Sit. Which one do you want? Which one? This one? Or this one? This one?
Secure cross. Are we the people in the photograph?
Well, safe to say she loves them.